Can you name 5 countries in Africa?
So, Kenya,
1,
then Uganda,
2,
Tanzania,
Okay, continue.
Nigeria,
4.
and South Africa. How about that?
5 countries in Africa?
I don't think so, but I
Any,
tried
just
my
come
best.
to, yeah.
Nigeria.
Yeah, any, just come to your mom.
Help more.
Come help here.
I'm not good in such questions.
Oh my goodness.
Just try your best.
Nigeria is the only one that I have in my mind, actually.
I think that something is definitely wrong with your modular oblongation.
Huh?
Nigeria is the only one I have in my mind. Kenya.
Kenya, 1. Good. Very good.
I don't know. Is the Bahamas the same?
Huh?
Bahamas.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you next round. 5 countries in Africa.
Nigeria,
1,
Algeria,
2,
South Africa, Tunisia,
4,
Morocco.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
5. And you want to try?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. 5 countries in Africa.
Nigeria,
1,
Anglia,
2,
South Africa.
3. Well done.
Oh, what's it called? Tunisia.
4. Well done. 1 more.
Niger.
Well done. Thank you. Can you mention 5 countries in Africa?
5 countries in Africa.
Nigeria.
Niger, Congo,
2,
Angola,
3,
South Africa,
Ethiopia, South Africa. 5 countries in Africa.
5 countries in Africa.
Kenya,
Gambia, Senegal, Mauritania, Togo.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Algeria, Egypt, South Africa,
Zambia, Zimbabwe. We're from Africa, bro. It's just to eat.
Can you do 5 each? Yeah.
Yeah.
5 each.
Yeah.
Okay, start from you.
Algeria,
1,
Egypt,
2,
South Africa,
3,
Zimbabwe,
4,
Zambia.
5.
Yeah, boy.
Zambia, Togo, Mauritania, Morocco, and Kenya.
I am the one, the way you turn.
Tanzania,
1,
Senegal,
2,
Gambia,
3,
Mali,
4,
Zambia.
4, 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
No more.
Namibia,
1,
yeah, that is. Guinea,
2, well done.
Somalia.
3,
Okay, now, man.
African boy, that's me. You want
No,
You are free now.
I'm on
2
free.
more.
I got 2 more.
Yeah,
Shit.
don't
Congo,
embarrass us.
Yeah,
Congo.
that's one.
4,
5. Bomboclat. I know this. It's Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, fine.
Nice.
Thank you, guys. Can you mention 5 countries in Africa?
5 countries in Africa.
Yeah.
So that's the Congo,
1,
South Africa,
2,
the Central African Republic,
3,
Egypt,
4, 1 more.
South Sudan.
5. Thank you very much.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Emotional damage.
Can you mention 5 countries in Africa?
In Africa, well,
Yeah.
well, my knowledge of African geography is not really that good.
Jesus is Lord.
I could try my best.
Okay.
Well, Niger, of course.
1,
Kenya,
2, well done.
Somalia.
3,
Isn't South Africa one as well?
4,
It stops there.
5 countries in Africa.
Nigeria,
1,
Egypt,
2,
Tunisia,
3,
South Africa,
4,
Namibia.
5.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank you.
Namibia,
1,
Tanzania,
2, 3,
Nigeria,
4.
South Africa,
Wow.
Republic of Congo.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
You guys too smart. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
South Africa.
1,
Morocco.
2,
Congo.
3,
Egypt.
4.
Yeah.
One more.
Somali.
5.